William Ruto does not know the difference between engineers, architects, and construction workers.
William Ruto is talking about Mjengo. Can his children go and work at the Mjengo? But good people, explain to me, which is the workplace of the architect? And the engineer? And the mason? And the carpenter? So if you go to university to learn engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and all the other engineerings, mechanical engineering, and architects, the only place you will make meaning with what you have learned is Mjengo. There is no other place. If there is no Mjengo, you are useless. It's just as simple as that.